That's weird. Hey everyone, sorry for the weird angle. So we're out of town, buying a Jeep.
Yep.
And we decided to get some KfC. Everything in here we have not had before. We got the new KfC sandwich. Oh, they gave us a KfC cookie. We've had that before. And the new KfC fries. They didn't give us ketchup though. I'm still sad about the wedges though. Those are pretty good. And this orange Mountain Dew thing, I don't know what it's called. I didn't look. That's weird, but not bad. It's like a peachy flavor or something. I'm going to have to look that up to see what it's called and how far off I am on the
Yeah, that's definitely
flavor.
peach.
So here we go. Oh, screenshot maybe. Thumbnail. Okay. Now here's hoping this is good. Let's see. I think it's got some mayo. Better have some pickles. There we go. Oh yeah, look at those nice, big, thick, delicious pickles. There's a little no pickle there if you want some no pickle, but chicken and pickle. Oh. Okay. It looks nice and crispy too.
And thick.
That's crispy. That's so super crispy. Wow. These fries aren't bad either. They're not great, but they're not bad. No. They're no potato wedges. That is pretty good. Those pickles are, look at that, nice and thick. The chicken is super crispy. I'm wanting some crispy chicken. Can't compare it to the Popeyes one, obviously. But this one's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm gonna give the fries a 4 and the drink a 4.
Yeah.
Like,
Fries could have been a little bit crispier.
it's got mayo on both sides, so it's really, really, really mayo-y. The pickles are nice and thick and crispy. The chicken is super crispy.
And thick.
Yes. It's pretty darn good. And we've had $7. It was like $7.30 something. So, you know, nowadays that's a good price, I think. I'm used to when value meals were $5. I'm old as dirt. So yeah, pretty awesome. Then till next time. Laters.